comes. Hell, here he comes. Here he comes. He's gonna come right the way that doe went.
I see the arrow go through his ribs, and I know right then that it's happened. You know, he takes a couple of jumps and stops and starts looking around, and I'm wanting to jump for joy at that moment because I know it's over, but I'm trying to hold it all in. He's trying to figure out what's wrong. I decide I start knocking another arrow just in case there's an opportunity. He walks up on that hump and turns and looks right at us, and it is the most beautiful sight that I've ever seen in the hunting world. And I could see him kind of wobble a couple of times as he took off, so I had a feeling he wasn't